Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jill and here is a place where I like to share some beauty tips, tricks, and more. And I like to do some unboxing and a few other things I'll be adding into my channel. So thank you so much for joining me today. I thought it would be fun to do a little beauty unboxing with a couple things that I ordered off of Amazon. And I also visited a local thrift store this weekend and found a couple items that I'm going to use back toward my business. So if you enjoy watching some unboxings, then stay tuned and I'm going to show you what all I got and a little bit on how I organized it. Okay, so the first fun thing that I want to share with you comes in one of these lovely Amazon bags, which is always exciting to find on your front doorstep, right? Sometimes our mail person can get it into the mailbox, but we have like one of those community boxes, so sometimes they fit, sometimes they don't. This particular day, it was this one in a box, so this one got the front porch and the box got the other box inside. So I'm just gonna go ahead and clip off the top. Now, some of you may chuckle at this particular beauty item, but I happen to actually really like these. Are you ready? Okay, so how many of you are familiar with these little foamy rollers? They have been around forever. Like my mom used them. I grew up using them. My girls used them when they wanted some curls in their hair. And they're not expensive at all. I think I only paid about $8 for the entire pack. Now today, I actually curled this with a curling iron. But some days when I'm really busy and I know I need to get out the door the next day fast, I use these. And they have different sizes, so you can do different size curls. The thicker ones are gonna give you the long, wavier curls, then the medium-sized curls, and so forth. And even if you just wanna do spots of it and not your entire head, you can do that as well, just to add a little lift. And I'm telling you, these work. I wash my hair really good, condition it. You could put mousse in it, but you don't have to. You could just leave it the way it is. But I recommend drying your hair until it's like damp, not soaking wet, not totally dry, but in between. But you don't want to feel a lot of water on your hands. And that seems to be what holds it the best throughout the next day. Now, after you take it out and you do your curls and everything, go ahead and put your hairspray and your setting spray on it and have that done. If you want me to do a demonstration of these, I will. Just let me know. I love all things beauty, so happy to help in any way. But as far as I'm concerned, these are one of the best things for getting curls, tried and true to many years over, and not expensive at all. So another item. Now the box is pretty massive, but I'm thinking it's not, well, I don't think it'd be that big inside. So let's open that up and see what comes in here. And we have some nice brown paper popping out at us. Get the other side. Okay, so that's that open. It's always fun. It's always like Christmas, but yeah, like I said, this is a huge box and the item is like down at the bottom. So take that out of the way. So I want to hear if you all are familiar with this kit. Luminix Oral Essentials. I went ahead and got the whole kit. So one of the things that, probably a fun fact about me, is I love to drink tea. Hot tea, cold tea, doesn't matter. All flavors of tea. It's one of my favorite things. And I was looking into something that would whiten my teeth. So somebody recommended this kit to me that they really like, and it's supposed to have like all natural ingredients. Now this is not sponsored or anything. This is just something that I wanted to give a try to see how it works. So let me show you the items that are in here. They give you a starter kit of the whitening strips. It's pretty cool. You get a fun little bamboo toothbrush, which is really good for the environment. You get some whitening toothpaste to use along with it. And then you're also going to get the mouthwash. So really not a bad little kit to get started. If you guys want me to do an update video on that as I use it and let you know my thoughts, I'd be more than happy to do that. Just leave that for me in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this video so you can come back for more videos like this. So something else fun that I wanted to share with you is another thing about me is I love thrift shops. Like, you can find so many good deals in there, and it's so great for the environment to repurpose what you can get at all times if possible. So one of the cute little things that I found this weekend is this adorable little vintage purse. Now, it's a change purse, and it's got, you know, the area for your money, and it's really cute because it has a zipper on the bottom, so you can place things in there as well, however you want to fill up the inside of your bag. You guys, this was $1, and look, it fits your lipsticks, lip glosses if you want to. You can even throw in an eyeliner. Just pop that in there and take that on the go with you, and it looks so adorable. $1, you guys, and it looks like somebody hand embroidered that at one point. So I was really excited about this, and of course you can put your money, your ID, all those great things and take that along with you, but I wanted to share this fun find with you today. Another thing that I was excited about was finding this basket. Now it has a little wear in it, as you see, but if you can see the tag, somebody left it on, which I'm not sure why they left it on while they were using it, but it normally retails for $14.99, a really nice white basket. I found it in a thrift store for $3. So I'm going to organize this up and show you how I did that with some of my business products. And then the last thing that I found that I thought was so pretty is this box, and as you see, it is only 99 cents. Now it had a little bit of, like, on the edge here, just a little bit of beat up. Not real bad, nothing I can't work with. I opened it up, and you see it's perfect inside. So I'm going to show you what I put in there, and 99 cents, you can't beat it. Okay guys, I wanted to show you some of the things that I want to store in here for my business. So you're gonna go ahead and open this. There's lots of storage space. And like I said, for 99 cents, you can't beat it. So I have this packet now that is just like a plastic packet, and it has some of my samples and so forth in it. But I thought it would be best to just go ahead and lay that in here. So I take my Mary Kay samples, and these are like the different color samples and stuff that I give out to my clients for their lookbooks. And end with the lookbook, which I also have the lookbooks here for each season, which actually I think I'll go ahead and just put them in the bottom of there as well. And actually, because I like things neat and everything fit into place, just go ahead and lay them in like this. And then I can also take my sample holders for the mascara that I have when I'm showing my clients those. They fit in here nicely. The eyeshadow brushes fit in here nicely. And then I have this for doing foundations with my clients. That's something else that I can tuck in here and keep it all nice and neat. And as you see, I still have a ton of space left in it. Got this for only 99 cents. You cannot beat the deal. So another thing I can do is go ahead and put some products. Okay, so say I'm doing a quick little makeover and I want to take some information to my clients. I can grab some of the products that I want to use and just lay them down inside here. This is some from our Botanical Naturals collection. And really, this can mix and match of whatever you want to take to show. I also have the 3D Day Cream and the Eye Cream here. They tuck in there nicely. The Age Minimizer Night Cream. These are just some random things that I picked off my shelf. 4-in-1 Cleanser, which I love. All these fit in here so nicely. This is from our summer program, and this is our body care set that smells like cherry. So it has the body cream and also the spray inside there. That fits in here. And as you can see, there's plenty more room. I also have room to throw a book in there, which I can squish it down a little bit, or I can just lay it in underneath here, and it fits in perfectly. I can also throw in more samples, and it's so nice and easy to just pull it over, snap it together, and then I'm all ready to go and talk with my clients. So don't overlook your thrift shop, guys. There are lots of cute ideas and things you can use this for. You can also use this for stationery and cards. You can put your business cards in here. The possibilities are endless. And then the other option is the great little basket that I found for $3. And this also is something you could take either on the go for your clients or simply just to store things at your house. So I'm just gonna go ahead and demonstrate with the same products that I had. And this actually is going to hold way more than the ones that I pulled out recently. So just let me show you these filled up. You can throw them in there. This is also a great way to organize on your shelves. That way you know what you have. You can put it into sets and have everything together that you need as you go. And then we also have the roll-up beauty bag, which would also fit in here nicely. I love this thing. I will be featuring this one day soon too in another video. And then you just put everything in there on the go, ready to visit your clients or ready to sit on your shelf for when you do go out the door, or if you're placing an order or whatever, you can just go to your bag and grab go to your basket, I should say, and grab exactly what you need. So it's really fun going into thrift stores. Like, you never know what you're gonna find. Thanks so much for watching today. Let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed this little video haul of a couple beauty products that I'll be using. And also don't forget to let me know if you want demonstrations of any of those or follow-ups on those. I do have more makeup tutorials and more coming your way. Super excited to share them with you. So if you haven't already, please click like and subscribe to this channel and you can see all my upcoming content. Thanks so much, you guys. I hope you're staying cool out there. It is super hot in my area, and I'm so thankful for air conditioning right now. So you all take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.